Wait. Okay, go. Go, go, go. Come on, come on. Talbot versus Wyatt. Let him get out of the picture. Oh!
You don't have to punch him. He never meant to, and that wasn't him. Yes, it was. That was me, because when he jumped, I accidentally hit you. Free shoe! Don't kick my shoe.
This is gold.
You okay? No.
Okay, I'm gonna cut some of this out. This is too evil to put on YouTube. No, I'm not putting the whole thing. I'm not that mean.
Stop.
Yeah, you are. Okay, I am, but I'm not going to be that mean.